Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting and cash stuffing, including sinking funds and savings challenges. So today I have for you a cash stuffing. We are going to be stuffing our sinking funds binder, our savings challenge binder, along with our Disney binder. If that is something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe to my channel and stick around for the rest of this video. All right, y'all, let's get into it. All right, first things first, let's count up our money. We have 50, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80. So 80, 280 plus 50, 330, 340, 350, 360, 370, 380, 400, nope, Lord, y'all, this 50's throwing me off, so we're just gonna put it back here for a second, okay? Because I can't count with 50s today, apparently. So 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 300, so 350, 360, 370, 380, 390, 390, 391, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 400, 1, 2, 3. So $403 is what we are working with today. Hopefully that's right, because counting is apparently really hard. All right, we're gonna start off with our sinking funds. Now y'all, I did not plan ahead again, so we might be making change during this video, but that's just how I live my life sometimes. So car down payment is going to be getting $20. So now we are up, we have $2,000 in the bank, 100, 120, 130. So $2,130. Car maintenance is going to be getting $30. And let's go ahead, we're gonna put these two 10s back for a 20, just in case. So car maintenance now has 100, 150, 170, 190, 210, 211, 212, 13, 14. All right, 214. Car mods. Car mods is getting $10 today. So we now have 100, 200, 220, 230, 240. Racing events is getting $10. And that is all that is in there because my husband just had his big event of the year. So we are starting from scratch. Health is going to be getting $20 this week. So we are now at 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Running is getting $20. And I did have this comment, I think it was last week or the week before that someone asked what running was for. So me and my husband are big into like running 5Ks, 10Ks, half marathons, full marathons, the whole 9 yard. So this folder is pretty much for anything that deals with that. Race entry fees, because y'all, those are not cheap. Shoes, again, those are not cheap. A pair of shoes for running, like a good pair, costs easily $150, and those are the cheaper ones. So anything that we might need for running. I just stuff a little bit in here each week. So that is now up to 20, 40, 50, 51. Home. Home is getting $9 today because I wanted to round this up to 20. So I actually think I'm gonna put a 1 back, and actually I'll put these 5s back and just grab a 20 because make things a little bit easier. So we are up to $20 for home. Clothing is getting 13, and that again is because I wanted to make this hit $50. Whoops. Let's not mix those ones in. And there we go. So $13. All right, so clothing is now at 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Gifts. Gifts is getting $20 this week. And emergency, debt snowball, we are skipping right now. Emergency is going to, where is my, oh, there it is, losing my Sharpie, y'all. So we are doing a 52-week challenge for our emergency challenge just to make it a little fun, and we are gonna do $13 today. So 10, 11, 12, 13. Oops, and I don't want those ones, sorry. 1, 2, there we go. All right, so let's see where we're at for emergency savings. We are at 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. $111. I'm pretty proud of that. That's pretty good. All right, so 111. And that is it for our sinking funds. Now let's move on to our savings challenges. First up is retirement, and retirement is also doing that same 52-week challenge. This one I'm kind of going in order for, but as I start making more money in the summertime here, I might go ahead and skip ahead to some of these higher numbers to get them out of the way as well. But we are going to stuff $20 today. So $20 towards retirement. And we are now at 100, 150, 170, 180, 90, 95, 200, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So $210 towards retirement. And at the end of the year, I am going to open up some sort of retirement account with this money. Next up is our $1 challenge. I am saving every $1 bill with the letter A on it. We have 3 to add into there today. And this envelope is getting so full. And we had $39 in here plus 3, so we should be at about $42. I am not counting all of those though. This is my credit card savings challenge. We're not doing that today. Vacation. Y'all, it is so close and I am so ready for this vacation, let me tell you. We are going to be stuffing $50 towards vacation today. So we get to color in the last little sunshine here. And then we're gonna color in one of the starfishes. And y'all, we are $30 away from our goal for our vacation for June. So let's add in this $50. And we have $500 in the bank. And we have $100, $200, $300, $350, $400, $450, $470. So that is $970 total that we have in our vacation fund. Only $30 more, and it is finished. I'm so excited. All right. We are not gonna stuff electronics. Right now, this is not a priority for me, so we're just gonna skip it. Pet emergency fund, I do want to fill this one out today though. We are going to just be doing $10, so we're gonna color in a bone. All right, so they now have $20, $40, $50, $60, $65, $70, $75 in their emergency fund. All right, date night is next. Again, I didn't want to put too much towards date night, but I wanted to do a little something, so we're gonna do $5. And that means we get to color in one of the little champagne flutes. I can't wait till this one is done. I think I know where I want to go. There's this really nice place on the ocean around us, and it's like the perfect date night, but it is like super, like, it's like fine dining, and I think that's where I want to go with this, but haven't made up my mind just yet. Anyways, we are now at 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60 for date night. Fuel up your savings. We are going to be adding $15 today. And I did decide to not use this money for my husband's trip recently. I think I just want to save this up for our vacations that we have coming up. I just think it makes more sense to me. But anyways, we've got $20, $40, $60, $70, $75, $80, $85, $90 for fuel. And it's sad that we got to save up so much money for gas. Ugh, just makes me so mad. Next up is our May challenge from KrisBudgets. And of course, you know, I've got to do the dog mom. I have decided to put $10 towards this one today, which means we get to color in 5 of the little spaces. So let's see, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll do this one. So we've got one more to complete this challenge. So now we are at $10, $15, $16, $17, $18 for this challenge. All right, and that is it for this binder. Next up is my favorite, the Disney binder. All right, y'all, I am making some progress today on Resort. So we are adding $100 to our Resort challenge. So that means we get to color in a little shower head. All right, and let's count that out. We've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. All right, so we have $1,000 in the bank, and then we have 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So $1,250. Which I believe is around the halfway point for us. And that's not due in full until October. So I'm excited. I'm happy with that. We are also going to stuff theme park tickets today. Y'all, they still have not released the actual prices for 2023 yet. And honestly, I'm a little nervous. Like, it's almost June. Like, give me my prices so I know if I'm stuffing the right amount of money. We are going to be putting $25 towards tickets. So 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that means we get to color in a safari, which, if you didn't know, that is my little symbol for Animal Kingdom. The prices aren't actually for each park's thing. I just wanted to kind of, you know, have a little symbol for each park. But we've got Magic Kingdom, we've got Hollywood Studios, Epcot, and Animal Kingdom. I just thought they were cute. So total for tickets right now, let's see where we're at. So for tickets, we have 50, 70, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, $100. All right, and that's gonna be it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you wanna see another cash stuffing, I'll have one out again tomorrow. We will be stuffing my side hustle income for the month of May. I am so excited. It is my best month yet for extra income, and I am so thankful for this platform and for all of y'all. So if you're interested in seeing what I make on YouTube and Etsy and my other little side hustles, make sure you tune in tomorrow, and I'll see you then. Bye.